Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text it be written, size the letter, font of letter, duplicate the letter, change the color of letter. Select the emboss button, light angle, adjust the letter, duplicate the shape, change the background color, adjust the letter, duplicate the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.